Okay, today we're going to learn how to do integer tiles with adding. So if I have 2 negatives and 4 positives, there's my 2 negatives and there's my 4 positives. So then these are 0 pairs. I have 2 0 pairs and 2 leftovers. So my answer would be positive 2, but the number of 0 pairs is 2. If I was drawing this out, I could draw it just by saying 2 negatives and 4 positives, and then I just like to circle the 0 pairs like that. 2 0 pairs and 2 positives. Okay, next one. 5 negatives and 1 positive. 5 negatives and 1 positive. So that's my 0 pair. Right, here's my 0 pair, and there's 4 negatives left. So if I was drawing it out, instead of just using the chips, I would say 5 negative, 1 positive. There's my 0 pair. And my answer is -4, because the 0 pair cancels out. 3 negatives and 3 positives. 3 negatives and 3 positives. All 0 pairs, 0 pairs, 0 pairs, 0 pair. So all of them are 0 pairs. What is left over? Well, there's nothing left over. So the answer would be 0. And on the last one, 4 negatives and 4 negatives. That is not a typo. There's 4 negatives and there's 4 more negatives. Well, what are my 0 pairs? Are these 0 pairs? No, 0 pair has to be a positive and negative. There's no 0 pairs. But there is 8 negatives left over. So to draw it out, I would draw 8 negatives, and that would be the drawing out. So as you're looking at this, the big idea is to draw it out. So if you just had a problem like -7 plus 3, I would draw 7 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 positives, 1, 2, 3. 0 pairs cancel out, and I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4. -7 plus 3 equals -4. And it's a way of adding or subtracting using visualization of 0 pairs.